In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change objects in an image using Canva AI. So first open up Canva and upload your image, or you can also select one from your design. Then next is click on the image, then click on the edit button at the top toolbar. Now in Magic Studio, look for AI tools like Magic Edit or Magic Eraser. You can use Magic Eraser to remove unwanted objects. To use Magic Eraser, simply brush over the object and let Canva remove it automatically. You can also use a tool called Magic Edit to replace or add objects. So here, just select the area that you'd like to edit. The next is type a prompt, basically how you want the photo or an object to be edited. You can also refine the result by adjusting colors, lighting, or trying different variation until it looks natural. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!